So finish polishing and compounding the whole car. Fortunately, I did run out of microfiber, so I'm not going to ceramic it today, but I'm going to go ahead and get these taillights I ordered. I'm not too sure if I'm going to like them or not. I really like the normal LCI version. These are pretty shot, so I figured, okay, let me maybe try out kind of a different style. Not sure if they're going to be ricey or not, but we'll open them up, test fit them, see how they look, and then we'll go from there. So. I'm not sure. It's like, it's kind of ricey, but kind of looks cool. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't know if I like it or don't like it on a black car, so we'll get them in and see how everything looks, especially with this X5. I feel like it looks a little bit better than, you know, a stock height X5, we'll call it. So. Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing. There's no instructions. So I have this gold one plugged into the harness here. The blue part is still open, and this I have no idea what it does. GoPro's messing it up in here. Whoa. Does something. Whoa. Somebody was here. Oh, this looks kind of OEM-ish. Hard to tell. Okay, I think it looks good. I want to see it with the car like on. Huh, looks cool. Okay, I think I like it. So I think I'm gonna do the other side. I have to run, there's a cable here that I think connects them so they can do the sequence thing. So you have to run that, but I think I like them. I think I'm gonna stick to them. So I'm gonna do the other side, and yeah, so there's this cable. I'm pretty sure I need it, so I guess I'll run it through there, down, eventually. But I have to go somewhere soon, so I'm just gonna get the other side in and figure it out. And also, one of the bolts didn't fit here, but I don't know if that's because someone previously changed them or something, but this is like an 8mm instead of a 10mm, and it fits an 8mm, so I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll see how it looks outside. So I popped this 10mm nut that goes onto the center lights that's here, and then I'm gonna use one of these small 8mm, which I think is an M5 nut, and put it in here for the new taillights. Got everything wired up and tucked. Unfortunately, the battery died on the GoPro, but what I did was ran the sequence wire from the center tail light down at the edge here, down under, and I made a little slit in this wiring harness protector loom thing. You can maybe, if you really tried, fit the pigtail through everything, but I just made a little slit behind it and went down, took this panel off, down and under, and onto this side. Same thing for this side. Down and under, through the little slit, pop this off just to feel it a little bit better. It's back there, under, and in. And as long as I don't crush any wires, looks pretty good. I like the little sequence thing. Very modern. Although they're not staying on right now, so once I have the lights on, they stay on, but let me get all the plastics back in and then I'll pull it outside. So overall, it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to stick to them. I think it looks a lot better than the pre-LCI, and the LCI ones are pretty nice, but I think this is a little different. They are pretty bright, everything works as they should, and honestly didn't really have any issues besides the bolts for these inner tail lights. The thread on them is the thread that's on the outer tail light side, so it's like an M6, maybe M5 or something. So other than that, no issues, pretty easy to install. I did have one error code that pops up sometimes, but other than that, they did say it was going to happen, so is what it is. But overall, pretty happy with them. They look good. So that's going to be it for this video. If you want to see more of this car or any of the other cars, consider subscribing and checking out some of the other videos.